AB, Pumpman, bunker ship, Greek flag, full social security if you are from flag of convenience, international trades, Greek trade, cottage, apply urgently, English is required, and we have 2,800 euro net weight. So all of those that are sailing with a flag of convenience, with no social security, no pension, no sanitary assistance, please apply urgently. This is the job for you with the security, the Greek social security and the pension and so on. Please like and subscribe and pass through all your groups of interest. Sailing in the Greek islands, nice weather, nice Greek personnel and the Greek company. Thank you very much indeed. Bye.